Looking for a quick way to add or restore Bluetooth on your Windows PC? The UB400 Bluetooth adapter offers a seamless solution, turning any compatible Windows laptop or desktop into a Bluetooth-enabled device. Whether you want to connect wireless headphones, printers, or even PS4 and Xbox controllers to your PC, this tiny adapter has you covered. What makes the UB400 stand out is its use of the latest Bluetooth 4.0 technology, which also works backward with older Bluetooth versions like 3.0 and 2.1. This ensures broad compatibility with a wide range of devices, while Bluetooth Low Energy technology helps save power during use. Plus, it supports a transmission range of up to 65 feet, so you can enjoy uninterrupted music or calls without being tethered to your computer. The design is ultra-compact, small enough to stay plugged into your USB port without getting in the way. This means you can leave it in whether you're at home or on the go. Installation is just as simple: plug it in, and for Windows 8 and above, it's plug and play. For Windows 7 and XP, a free driver download from the manufacturer's website gets you up and running quickly. A real user shared their experience with the UB400 after their laptop's built-in Bluetooth stopped working. Despite trying multiple fixes, the Bluetooth function remained corrupted and unusable. For just $8, they plugged in the UB400, and within minutes, their laptop regained Bluetooth functionality. No complicated setups or tech skills required, just a reliable, affordable fix. Keep in mind, the UB400 is designed exclusively for Windows PCs and is not compatible with Mac, Linux, or smart TVs. Also, if your computer already has internal Bluetooth, you'll need to disable it to use this adapter properly. While it allows you to connect PS4 and Xbox controllers to your PC, it can't pair with another UB400 adapter or be used directly on gaming consoles. If you're tired of struggling with Bluetooth issues or simply want to add wireless capabilities to your PC, the UB400 Bluetooth adapter is worth a look. It combines ease of use, reliable performance, and broad device support in a tiny package that won't break the bank. Ready to simplify your wireless connections? Try the UB400 when you're ready and enjoy hassle-free Bluetooth on your Windows computer. It's a straightforward way to get back to what matters: seamless connectivity without the frustration.